In this next phase, I'm going to create the buttons for my next and previous page. Select Insert, New Symbol. I'm going to call it Next Page. Make sure this is set to Button and click OK. Now I have up, over, down, and hit state. So I'm going to make a rectangle out here. I'm going to set my properties so that the stroke is black. I'm going to make the fill green to start and the stroke at 2. And I'm just going to make a rectangle out here for my simple button. So I've got my button in place, and what I want to do is copy this to the other 3 states. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy the frame, and then right click and paste the frame into these other states. And I want to change the color, so if I roll my mouse over the button it will change colors. So I'm going to change that to a red. In my down state, if I actually click on it, I want it to turn blue. So up, roll my mouse over, click on it. Now this is the hit state, which means anything inside this area is active and considered part of the button. I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to rename this layer Text. And I'm going to go ahead and get my text tool. I'm going to click out here. I'm going to go to Properties, and I'm going to set my text color to a white. And I think I want to set this up to maybe about 45. We'll try that. And you can play around with these values and colors. They don't have to be the same ones I chose. So next page. And you can change your font out to something different if you want as well. Now I've got my text in place, and I only really have to type this once. I'm going to put it in the up state, and it will stay active for all the other states. And now I've got my button here inside my library, the Next Page button.